There is a white sticker on the motherboard. When we drop a little water on it, the white becomes red. This is used to detect whether the phone water damage or severely damp. How to know if the phone has water damage? 1. Check whether the waterproof mark on the motherboard turns red. Most of the mobile phone motherboard or back cover will have a small waterproof label attached, which is normally white, but will turn red when it is water damaged or severely damp. 2. Check the logic board for signs of mold or water ingress. The logic board of water-damaged phone will have obvious traces of water ingress, or the surface of the logic board components will become moldy if the water has not been treated for a long time. 3. Check whether the motherboard connectors are oxidized and blackened. The BTB or ZIF connector on the motherboard and the SIM card holder are oxidized and blackened. It is recommended to remove them and replace them directly. By the way, check whether the pads are oxidized and corroded. 4. Check for oxidation and corrosion around the unsealed chip. If the surrounding of the unsealed chip is oxidized and corroded, and the function of the chip is faulty, for example, the surrounding of the touch IC is oxidized and corroded, and the touch is not sensitive, remove the chip, check the chip pads, and reinstall or replace the chip. These pictures show that the motherboard has oxidized mold.